אוקיי, מדאיג אותך שבלבנון, אם נלך למלחמה עם לבנון, שיהיו אנשים חפים מפשע, שהם דרוזים, נוצרים, מוסלמים, שהם לא קשורים לחיזבאללה.
אני אגיד לך משהו, אני יהודי, לפי התורה שלנו, מה שכתוב זה, עשיו שונא ליעקב. עשיו שונא ליעקב, וכתוב שתמיד עשיו יבוא ויתנכל, לא משנה באיזה מצב.
מי זה עשיו?
I'm gonna conjure up some religious fantasy and use that to justify mass murder. Just typical guy, typical Israeli in the marketplace, picking out his peppers and his cabbage. He's like, yes, I believe this religious thing that enables me to be okay with racial genocide.
עשיו זה אח של יעקב.
לא, אני יודע, אבל מי זה עשיו?
מה זה
Now, because it's okay, we can murder these brown children because Esau says that they hate Jacob in the Bible.
זה ישמעאל.
Esau is Ishmael, and Abraham kept Ishmael away, and so let's kill some more brown babies. Yes.
הוא היה עם ישמעאל, ואברהם אבינו הרחיק את ישמעאל אז באותו זמן, מאז נוצר שנאה, גם מאז שקיבלנו את התורה.
So hate was literally created because according to the Torah, the original hate was created by Esau, some religious fable story that I have fully been indoctrinated with, which says that Muslims are evil. Who the fuck is Esau? And why do I care? Yeah, the book of Genesis, guys. You gotta remember, the book of Genesis says it all there, alright? That's why, please, America, send us more Javelin missiles. Thank you. Esau said so. Esau and Jacob in the book of Genesis. So send more JDAM missiles. Oh, can they be laser precision guided too as well? Thank you. And you have the satellite imagery too? Oh, great, great. And the AI kill lists? Perfect. The book of Genesis would have it no other way.
נוצר שנאה לכל האומות. כל האומות שונאים אותנו, גם המצרים, כולם שונאים אותנו.
Everyone hates us. Everyone hates us. We are the victim. Everyone hates us. We must look over our shoulder. Nowhere is safe. We must be paranoid. Give me the bazooka. Give me the javelin.
ובגלל זה גם אנחנו נכחדים הרבה, מורדים אותנו, והעובדה שאנחנו העם הכי גדול. שכתוב אנחנו העם הראשון אחרינו.
It is written because it is written. Wait, we gotta go back. This is Esau. Yeah, no, we got that. Yeah, Esau is Ishmael. Wait, I'm sorry. We were talking about Lebanese children and would you be okay with them being killed? And you're talking about some religious fable about Esau being Ishmael, hating Jacob. It is written that you are the first of nations. What? You know, this is crazy, but you guys kind of sound like a religious cult. You guys kind of sound like, it's like the same vibe I get when I listen to Scientologists for more than 2 minutes. Why is it the same vibes?
ישמעאל, הוא היה עם ישמעאל, ואברהם אבינו הרחיק את ישמעאל.
I have this happy little thought which makes me okay with genocide. See? Here it is. I can explain it to you. Esau and Abraham and Ishmael in the book of Genesis.
באותו זמן, מאז נוצר שנאה, גם מאז שקיבלנו את התורה, נוצר שנאה לכל האומות. כל האומות שונאים אותנו, גם המצרים, כולם שונאים אותנו. ובגלל זה גם אנחנו נכחדים הרבה, מורדים אותנו, והעובדה שאנחנו העם הכי גדול. שכתוב אנחנו העם הראשון, אחרינו...
The birth of a nation. Did Leni Riefenstahl create some of your propaganda?
הכי גדולה, אתה יודע איזה אומה הכי גדולה שהייתה אחרינו? שמחזיקה עד היום?
לא.
אתה יודע איזה? סין. סין היא האומה הכי גדולה, שהיא שרדה, היא אחרי היהודים, היא שרדה הכי הרבה. בגלל זה יש להם גם תורה.
Yes, because China is, and Jews are completely analogous with each other. The Chinese people and Jewish people, like of the two, one is a religious identity and one is a national identity. But in the Israeli Chod's mind, they're the same, they can be analogized.
שהיא הרבה גדולה מאוד.
אבל תחזור לשאלה.
כן, עכשיו.
Yes, let's get back to the question, you dumb fuck. What was the question? Oh, yes, right, yes, it had nothing to do with the book of Genesis.
אז בעצם זה שיש לנו עשיו שונא ליעקב, עכשיו אנחנו רואים
Here you go, some religious nonsense bullshit to justify why Lebanese and Palestinian children must die. Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
אני עוד פעם לא אומר ש...
Now we have the Druze on our side. Yes. Do you now?
I
That's
don't know what he said.
big, if true.
I don't think he knows what he said either.
I don't think he knows what he said either. He has the Druze on his side? Are you sure about that? You're talking about the Druze in occupied Golan Heights? The same Druze that you murdered with an errant Iron Dome anti-air missile that malfunctioned and hit a park in Majd al-Shams and killed a bunch of Druze kids? They're your friends, really? They weren't protesting your prime minister when he visited Majd al-Shams?
שהם רעים עכשיו, אבל אנחנו לא יודעים כלום, אחי. יש הרבה חיות מחמד, שאתה רואה מלטף אותם, פתאום תוקפים את הבעלים שלהם. אתה יודע, שנים גדלו, אחי, היו איתם מגיל אפס. פתאום תוקפים אותם בקרקסים ודברים כאלה, מה קרה? אתה מבין, יש פה איזה חיה בנפש שלו. אפשר...
There is an animal in his soul. So, okay, yeah. Again, the Palestinians and the Lebanese, they are animals. They're subhuman. Typical Israeli, try not to dehumanize another people that you have completely subjugated. Challenge impossible. Unreal. He really pivoted quite hard there. Don't hurt yourself with that reach, my friend. So go back to the question. The fact that Esau hated Jacob. Again, I'm not saying that they are bad now. And when you pick... You're not... And when you pick them up to pet them, suddenly they attack their owners. Their owners. So wait, what are you saying? That you are the owners? I'm just trying to understand here.
אז עצם זה שיש לנו עשיו שונא ליעקב, עכשיו אנחנו רואים שהדרוזים איתנו, אני עוד פעם לא אומר שהם רעים עכשיו, אבל אנחנו לא יודעים כלום, אחי. יש הרבה חיות מחמד, שאתה רואה מלטף אותם, פתאום תוקפים את הבעלים שלהם. אתה יודע, שנים גדלו, אחי, היו איתם מגיל אפס, פתאום תוקפים אותם בקרקסים ודברים כאלה, מה קרה? אתה מבין, יש פה איזה חיה בין...
So they're just an animal in their soul. They are savage, barbaric, backwards people. So this is the racism from a tiny hat chode.
שלו. אפשר להגיד...
אבל אתה דואג לאנשים חפים מפשע שם בלבנון.
Truthfully, I don't think there's such a thing there. There's no innocent people in Lebanon. I mean, we knew that he was going to go full fash, of course. That was pretty easy as soon as he started with the Book of Genesis nonsense. But truthfully, no. There's no such thing as an innocent soul. It's the same as the Two Nice Jewish Boys podcast. If I could just have a button and just all of Gaza, I would do it. The bravest of people, aren't they? Just the most courageous, the most moron army in the world, folks.
כן, זה בטבע, אתה לא יכול להגיד לבן אדם חף מפשע. עוד פעם, אני אגיד לך משהו.
Because it's a nature, it's just in their nature. I've literally changed it to some metaphysical thing that I've just decided is true. I'm passing a speculative value judgment on an entire people, and by doing so I can justify their denial of human rights and their non-existence. It's a nature, folks. It has nothing to do with individual people here. It's just their nature. They're just naturally violent and evil. Again, this would be one thing if it was just this guy, but this is the same rhetoric comes from the highest levels of government officials in this whack, lame, dysfunctional, apartheid ethno-state called Israel.
יש יחידים שהם כתוב עליהם שהם
Now we're on to the 7 Noahide laws. What the f are you talking about? You sound like a fucking whack job. Oh, so it's the 7 laws of Noah. That's a new one. I'm learning a lot of Zionist lore. I'm learning a lot of new genocidal lore that I had not known before. The 7 laws of Noah. Universal moral laws. Leave it to an Israeli to invoke moral laws to justify an ethnic cleansing, but here we are. Go off, I guess, King.
7 מצוות בני נוח. 7 מצוות בני נוח, הקדוש ברוך הוא נתן להם את זה, והם נקראים חסידי אומות העולם. אני לא אגיד לך שאין בכלל כאלה, אבל...
There might be some righteous Gentiles, but very few of them. And so, if you ask this guy, those very few righteous Gentiles that obey the Noahide laws of morality are collateral damage, okay? Because we still need to bomb them back to the Stone Age. But isn't he nice to at least acknowledge the very few existence of these righteous Gentiles in Lebanon?
אני חושב שמעטים יש כאלה.
כולל החברים הערבים שלך? אמרת שיש לך חברים ערבים.
כן, יש לי חברים ערבים.
He's like, if I have Arab friends, I just want them all to be nuked. Yes, I believe they should be all be nuked, but I have an Arab friend. I can't be racist, guys. I have a black friend.
אני חושב גם אחי. אני מגיע אליהם, בוא נגיד אם זה לא היה אינטרס של כסף אחי, זה היה מזמן...
זה לא חברים.
עוד פעם.
If there wasn't a financial interest, so he's saying if I didn't have some financial interest in these friends that I have, you know, that are Arabs, I probably wouldn't be friends with them. Okay, let's just be honest. So, yes, they would be thrown into the fire. Okay, all the same.
זה הכל אינטרס.
ביזנס.
הכל ביזנס, בהחלט.
Like, I do business with a few Arabs, so, but I still think that they should be extinct, and they stink.
מתפרנס, אתה יודע.
Look at that shit-eating grin, dude. He's like, yeah, I'm a fucking shitty human being.
מתפרנס.
Yeah, dude, yeah. I just was trying to get money out of him.
Nixon ordered Cambodian genocide. Clinton cruise missiles to Sudan, people died. Gave the orders to do drone strikes.